What's up, guys? Hello to everyone. It's Motovlogger with accent with you. So I want to tell you that I have changed my YouTube channel name. It was Motorcyclist Diaries. I changed it to Motovlogger with accent. I thought that it's better, explains my motovlog and so on. So what I want to tell you, it's my new Yamaha MT09 it's ABS version. It's 2014 years. It is imported from Japan. I imported it from Japan. I won it on in Japan in some auction which sells motorcycles. So I won this motorcycle in December, but right now it's 23 March, but I just get it a couple of days ago. So I rode it few times, so it's new for me. So what I want to tell you about this motorcycle, as I mentioned, it's ABS version. It's has got aftermarket exhaust. It's not expensive one, but it was with this when I bought this. It already had this exhaust. I think it's some kind of AliExpress. I don't know. It has aftermarket mirrors. It has this brake and the clutch lever, and and I bought it on Amazon.com, this windscreen, and today I installed its Puig touring windscreen, and I will test it right now. So except that everything is stock. As you see, that rear fender is removed. So this is motorcycle. It has like 15,000 kilometers mileage, and right now it's 15 Celsius of. It's it's almost 15,000. So I'm not used to such a power on a motorcycle, and I am always in B mode. As you know, this MT09 has some modes, and I always choose B, which is like least powerful one. And usually I test ride my motorcycle on that particular road. It's right now, unfortunately, it's a little bit dirty, and this motorcycle is too powerful for my skills and so on. And usually I push from the start on that road motorcycle, and try to measure top speed on that road. It's a little bit uphill, like 2-3% uphill. Maybe it's not visible, but it's actually. And I will try on that motorcycle, but I cannot twist throttle in first gear and second gear because it's, in my opinion, too risky for my skills, and I need some months or more to get used to. So I started it. It's how it sounds. So let's go. I'm already in second. It started to wobble at speeds, and because of this I decided not to push it anymore. So it's amazing how low it is geared. So right now my speed is 74 kilometers per hour. I am in 5th gear, and it's without any problem. I can even switch to 6th gear. Look, right now my speed is 75. I'm in 6th gear and no problem. It goes. When I will twist this rod, look, motorcycle is pulling. It's of course not pulling like in 3rd or 4th gear, but it can pass the car. It's so amazing. This power, this low down torque, this power, and I think this motorcycle is geared for like to be stunt motorcycle, or I don't know how I can explain, but I guess that to make some wheelies it will be very easy in 2nd, 3rd gear even. Right now I am in 5th gear and my speed is 85, 86. Look, it pulls. It's amazing. When I compare this motorcycle to my other motorcycles, it's a lot more powerful. For example, I own BMW F800 ST, I own Honda NC700X. No, Honda NC is understandable that it's not powerful, but for example BMW F800 ST is close with its engine capacity. It's 800 cc motorcycle, and this is 847 cc motorcycle, but this is 3-cylinder motor engine, and BMW is parallel twin, and this motorcycle has got 113 horsepower, and BMW has got only 85 horsepower, so it's big difference. It's even a lot more torque here. I was looking for some forums about MT-09, and there was a lot of advice to, for example, to change front sprocket. Stock front sprocket is 16 teeth, and some people says that 17 front sprocket is better for highway and highway touring, and for even everyday it's less scary, if I can. Or maybe I will change rear sprocket. Stock rear sprocket is 45, and I will change it 43 because I am scared actually of this motorcycle. Look, this I like this particular road. I push my motorcycle seats as usual, 3rd gear. It's scary. Fuck, it's scary. This motorcycle is scary, to be honest. I thought that twist throat was like stuck. Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like it was stuck and it was accelerating more and more. So fuck, I need to practice my skills, and especially after winter breaks. I was not riding my motorcycle in winter. Right now I need some time to get used to, and especially this is new to me, motorcycle, and especially like this. So what I can tell you about this touring windscreen, I will ride right now my motorcycle like 100 km/h, and right now my speed is 100. It flows. I feel like I don't feel any air pressure on my torso, but I feel on my helmet actually, to be honest. Yep, I feel. I feel right on my helmet. My height is 186 centimeters. It's 6.1, yeah, feet tall. So I prefer this touring windscreen than without it, and I like even look how it looks. Oh, this motorcycle is beast. Right now my speed is 130. Yeah, I feel, of course, this airflow on my helmet. Yeah, but I think that when my speed is 100, it's normal. But people who are like not as tall as me, on lower, for them it will be even better. So this is my short review. I did today short review. In the future I will make more detailed review about this motorcycle, and I will tell you my thoughts about this. This video is already finished. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you like my video.